here.
And Ahmed.
So today we're doing the gold bucket challenge. The gold bucket is these, and we have seen many people do this on YouTube, and now we want to try how it is. And I hope you guys staying in your home because you know the lockdown. It's because the coronavirus.
We never tried these before.
So let's start. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! I don't know how it tastes like. Hey, my peas! Let's keep on eating. We can't stop. I want to see who's the winner gonna be. I bet it's gonna be me. I'm not sure how this tastes like.
Me either.
It just tastes like something. I need a lot. Not that spicy, I think. Just a little bit spicy, yeah?
Are you gonna give up?
Huh?
Gonna give up?
No way! I want to see what's the smallest one. That one, that's small.
Not. No. One more. Look.
So guys, comment down below who was the winner, and if you vote me, vote Ayat winner, and if you vote Ahmed, vote Ahmed winner.
No. Emmy's the Batman winner.
Okay. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and
We tried to eat a new food for you guys.
And this was just a little bit spicy for me, and I think I like a lot of spice.
I like it.
Wait, do you like a lot of spice? And
A little bit.
And you said you like a lot of spice.
I didn't.
And I hope you enjoyed our gold bucket and spice challenge. So that's all for today. But wait.